Hello, my name is Abby Miller, and I'm going to be giving a presentation over the European mink, which is an endangered species. I just want to preface that I am videoing my computer because with my MacBook, it wouldn't let me do a voiceover, so this is the best that I could do. Today I'm presenting on the European mink, one of the most endangered mammals in Europe. It's a small, semi-aquatic carnivore that depends heavily on healthy freshwater ecosystems. That is a big reason why they are becoming extinct, is because of the freshwater ecosystems and them getting taken away. The geographic range. The European mink once lived across much of Europe. Today, they only survive in a few fragmented areas, which makes recovery very difficult for them. Like here, it shows now limited to small and isolated populations in Eastern Europe. This kind of gives a map of where they were, where they are now, kind of gives a little background of them. Why the populations are declining. The biggest threat is habitat loss caused by wetland, drainage, and land development. Invasive American mink outcompete the European mink and spread many diseases. You kind of can see the American mink and the European mink and where they are and where they are left in this little spot here. There's competition with the invasive American mink. They kind of take over more than the European mink, which doesn't leave them anywhere to go or how to survive. The recovery and conservation efforts. Conservationists are actively restoring wetlands to improve mink habitats. Captive breeding programs help maintain genetic diversity and prevent extinction. Just like here, I found a picture of them with a breeding program, trying to keep all of them together to try to prevent extinction. And also here's just another picture of one. Ecosystem impact and if they're extinct. The European mink plays an important role in keeping freshwater ecosystems balanced. Their extinction would signal serious environmental degradation. The European mink are top freshwater predators. They also help regulate the fish and also the small mammal populations. This kind of gives a look at their food web and how and what they eat and what eats them, kind of. It kind of just gives you a little oversight on them. What the scientists are saying. Scientists warn that losing the European mink would affect far more than just one species. It would affect multiple in that ecosystem. Their extinction would signal serious problems. It would disrupt the entire ecosystem and also the water quality there. What can we do? There's plenty that we can do. Just small actions can make a big difference. Protecting water ecosystems help both the wildlife and the humans. We can support wetland conservation groups, reduce water pollution, and also avoid fur products. We can also raise awareness. And this is my bibliography. These sources provided good scientific data on population trends and conservation efforts. I'll kind of just give more of a rundown on what my bibliography looked like. Thank you.